Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up a C/C++ compiler and install SDL2 using MSYS2. So first, we'll open up a web browser. We'll go to MSYS2.org. We'll scroll down to the installation section. We'll hit the download link. Alright, so while that is downloading, let's wait on it. Alright, now that's downloaded, we'll double click on it to run it. Alright, so now we have this welcome screen. We'll hit next. See, it asks us for choosing an installation folder. I'll leave it at the default, which is C:/MSYS64. I'll hit next. I'll hit next. And it will start installing everything, guys. So let's wait until that completes. Alright guys, so now that the installation has completed, we will click on the finish button and it will open up a terminal for us where we can start installing our compiler. Alright guys, so now that we have this terminal open, we will start by typing in these commands. So we'll type pacman-s. The command is also on the website, guys. We could also just copy it and we could just paste it in. Let's just do that. Let's just paste it. And press enter. So once we do that, guys, it will ask us to proceed with installation. We'll press Y to continue. We'll press enter and it will download our compiler. So let's wait on that to complete. So we can verify that our compilers are installed by typing gcc, and we can type g++, and it works. We can also type gcc --version, and we can see our version information there. Now guys, the next thing we want to install is SDL library. So we can type pacman-s. Let's navigate to in our web browser and type ucrt-gw64 SDL2, because that's the library we want to install. We'll see this link, we'll click on it, and we will get the full command that we should run, right? Or the full package that we should install. So I'll just copy this name and I'll paste it. And then guys, I'll just press enter on my keyboard. Oh, made a mistake, so I'll just type pacman-S, and then I'll paste one more time. Press enter. And then now it will ask us to proceed with the installation. We'll press Y. Alright guys, so we have just installed SDL2. Alright guys, so we have installed SDL2, right? So here's the last thing we need to do. We can literally close this now. We want to add some environment variables. So we're going to type env, and we're going to click open where it says edit in system environment variables. And then we're going to click environment variables. We're going to click on path. Then we're going to click on edit. So now guys, we're going to open up the location where we installed MSYS2. So mine is installed in C:/MSYS64, ucrt64, and then bin. You can see the GCC and G++ compiler there. So I'm just going to copy this path, and I'm going to click right here on a blank space, and I'm going to paste it. Right, so you just copy this path by double clicking right here, pressing Ctrl+A, Ctrl+C, right click empty space, then you just paste it, then you press OK, then you press OK again. So now guys, that we have done that, let's try to verify that SDL2 has been installed. So I have this test.c file on my desktop that will just pop up a window onto the screen. So what I'm gonna do guys is open up command prompt. And I'm gonna navigate to the desktop, so I'm gonna type cd desktop. Then I'm gonna compile the test.c file, so I'm gonna type gcc test.c-l min gw32-l sdl2 main-l sdl2-o test. And let's see if this compile successful. Okay, it was successful. So now we can run our test script. So we can just write test.exe and we should see a window pop up. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another video.